In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up the Zinc Electric Folding Bike. When setting the bike up, we recommend having another person available to help remove the bike from the box. Additionally, ensure that all packaging has been removed before setting up the bike. Included in the box is all of the tools you need to assemble the bike. Firstly, unfold the bike and pass the clamp bolt through the gap. Then, close the clamp shut. Next, unfold the handlebar to the upright position. You can now pass the clamp bolt through the upper section. Push the clamp closed to lock the bars into place. To fit the saddle, open the clamp and slide the seat post at your desired height. You can then close the clamp to lock it into place. Each one of the pedals is labelled so that they are fitted on the correct side. It is important that you fit the pedals on the correct side, as they are only designed to go on the side labelled. To fit both of the pedals, use the labels on the crank arm to rotate each pedal by hand in the correct rotation. You can then use the supplied 15mm spanner to tighten the pedals. Ensure that both pedals are fitted tightly before using the bike. To fit the bell, loosen the supplied bolt and slide the bell over the handlebars. You can now use the supplied screwdriver to tighten the bell into place. Attaching the reflector can also be done by loosening the bolt and sliding it over the handlebars. Use the screwdriver to tighten it into place. Finally, to keep the bike upright, use your foot to push the stand downwards. To find out how to use the Zinc Electric Folding Bike, please watch our video on the Argos Support YouTube channel.